Want to know if your marketing campaigns are actually working? Comparing data across different time periods is key. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it in Looker Studio, making it super simple. First, open your Looker Studio report and locate the date range selector. It's usually at the top of your report. Click on it to open the date range options. Now, select Custom from the options. This allows us to define to specific date ranges we want to compare. Choose your primary date range. This is the period you'll be comparing against. Let's say we want to look at this month so far. Next, check the Compare to box. This opens up options for your comparison period. From the drop-down menu, you can choose Previous Period, Previous Year, or even a custom comparison. Previous Period is great for seeing immediate changes, so let's select that for this example. Looker Studio will now automatically display the data for both your primary and comparison periods. You'll see the difference between the two, often shown as a percentage change, right in your tables and charts. Pay close attention to these percentage changes. They tell you at a glance whether your metrics are improving, declining, or staying the same. This helps you quickly identify successes and areas that need attention. Finally, don't forget to add annotations to your charts to explain any significant changes. This helps provide context and makes your reports even more insightful. That's it. You're now equipped to effectively compare periods in Looker Studio and make data-driven decisions.